Hi guys, this is Savi. I'm an architect practicing natural building for half a decade now. We are in Nannilam Eco Village this time, and we're facilitating a lime plastering workshop. We are working on different lime plastering techniques where we do base coat, leveling coat, and final finishing coat. So this is our base coat where we have lime and sand, and then we did a leveling coat which has you see here, no? This has lime and surki in it, and then the finished coat is lime and marble powder. So we have different layers of coats for lime plastering because all of this is what makes it uh, here century old strong plaster. So we have different ways of doing it. So we use different sieves for different layers. So this has a different sieve, that has a different sieve, this has a different sieve. So being reduced in size of the sieves as we go finer and finer. So the final sieve, finest particle we use is talcum powder, which we use for our face, like the talcum powder which we use. So that's what closes, arrests all the pores in it, and that's what gives it the gloss which it has. So after we put the talcum powder, the final one will be burnishing it. So once we burnish it, it finally achieves its shine. So we use a pebble. I can show you a pebble. Wait. So this is a river stone which we collected from our stream, and then we had to cut it and polish it in such a way that this can be used to burnish. So we burnish it like this, so that with the talcum powder, of course. So that's how we get the shine. So this is called an araish plaster. This is called a lohi plaster, and this is a base coat. It's just a lime plaster with lime and sand to it. So lime plasters, lime generally needs carbonation, so that's how it sets. So we put natural additives like ink nut and jaggery to it. So fermented ink nut and jaggery mixture carbonates, and this carbon dioxide which it has helps lime to set faster and much stronger. So all these natural additives have been part of Indian cultures in various different ways, and various other products are also being used. So in Nannilam Eco Village, we use inknut, which is kadukai, which has so many other medicinal practices, and we use it for lime plastering here. This has been indigenous to this place, and we have spoken with a lot of locals and found out that this is what they've been practicing for quite some time now, and that's how we chose to use this material here. So here in Nannilam Eco Village, we're building quite a few natural building structures. So this is one such structure where we're built a complete mud house. So like it has cob walls, lime plasters, thatch roofing, wooden timber framing, and lime flooring, of course. So and whatnot. Stay tuned for a complete natural home, and step by step, let's decode how we built this house.